In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can download and install Iris shaders in Minecraft 1.21.7. If you find this video tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for even more Minecraft tips and tutorials. Iris shaders lets you use shader packs to enhance your game's visuals, adding realistic lighting, shadows, and so much more. To do this, first make sure you go ahead and close Minecraft completely before we begin, and yes, this does include the Minecraft launcher. Open up your preferred web browser, I'm going to use Chrome for this, but any's going to work, and search for Iris Shaders Minecraft, and click on this first link right here. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. You're going to want to go ahead and click Download Now, and then click Download Universal Jar. It's going to download a page that looks something like this. Now let's go ahead and grab ourselves some shader packs. To do this, go to curseforge.com and find this Minecraft section and open it up. From here, click Browse All and then scroll down until you find shaders. I would also recommend changing the game version to 1.21.7 so you can make sure you find a pack that works perfectly for that. I'm going to use this complementary shaders up at the top, but you can use whatever you'd like. Once you find the one that you like, go ahead and go to Files, and once again, change the game version to 1.21.7. Do that. Look for the option that pops up and click on the three dots just like so and hit Download File. It's going to wait for about 5 seconds, and then the file is going to download for you, and it's going to pop up right up in this section here. Now we need to go ahead and install Iris. You can do this by double clicking on the Iris installer, and it should open up a page that looks something like this. Make sure you select the correct game version, which once again is 1.21.7, and hit install. It'll say completed when it's done. Now you can go ahead and actually close out of this section just like so. And now open up the Minecraft launcher. You should see an option that says Iris and Sodium for 1.21.7. Make sure that is selected. Once you have Iris and Sodium right here, just go ahead and hit play. It's going to pop up with this thing. Just tick this and then hit play again. Once you get loaded into Minecraft, you just need to go into single player and select whatever world you would like. It doesn't really matter. You can do this on previous worlds or new worlds if you'd like. And you should automatically actually see these shaders applied. If you don't see them applied, go ahead and press escape and then find options and then video settings just like so. And you should see a brand new interface here. Go ahead and click on this little shader packs thing and just make sure the shaders are enabled by clicking on it and then hitting apply. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you have any questions, feel free to ask us down in the comments below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more tutorials just like this. Have a great rest of your day.